What's up, guys? You already know what we're talking about today. I'm gonna help you find genuine friends right now. Come join the party, yeah! Always remember that there are many entities that ride these bodies we call humans. Nothing to do with race, nothing to do with gender, but everything to do with the type of person someone is. Good friends influence the intangibles that generate genuine happiness, okay? So of course we want to be around good people that bring good vibes. But in your quest to meet these genuine, like-minded people, you will inevitably come across toxic people that like to wear the mask of genuine person. And they'd actually blame shift you if you were to catch them in their sneaky ways, right? So now I'm gonna tell you how you can avoid getting involved with these sneaky people. Number one, reserve your judgment, all right? So don't be so quick to judge if this person is innocent or if this person is an enemy right away. Save your judgment. You should slowly define people over time, okay? So usually everyone wears a mask and it's not always out of, hostility or that they want to do something bad. And sometimes it is, but sometimes people are just nervous about not being liked, so they put on a mask, all right? And other times people are toxic and they put on masks too, all right? And that's why it's really important for you to reserve your judgment, because you don't know yet if you're really dealing with a nice person or a toxic person. So you need to reserve your judgment to outlast the mask, because all masks have cracks and eventually fade, all right? So you don't want to judge them during the mask phase, right? But once the mask starts to crack, then of course you can go ahead and start to observe some of their patterns that define their true character. And that's when you can begin to judge. Number two, pay attention to excessive love bombing, especially early on. Like they really want you to like them right now, right? Or they really gotta get your opinion of them right now, right? So just be careful, because that's usually aimed at causing you to provide a judgment too quickly, and that kind of goes against number one. So never forget, you should always give people the opportunity to define themselves, right? So it's not about you putting them in a box or whatever. People say don't judge me, but the reality is that in order to protect yourself and to construct a good future for yourself, and that includes relationships, you need to judge. Judgment is a skill that you actually need to survive, because poor judgment will lead to your self-destruction. So you will need to judge what kind of people you're dealing with. Number three, do they drive smear campaigns on other people's reputations who otherwise might not seem that terrible? You should always withhold your judgment until you get to know someone yourself. Not necessarily because someone told you, oh, this person's bad, or oh, this person is good. You should get to know them yourself. People who are always involved in dramas are a really big red flag. Either they're on the front end or they're on the back end, but some kind of way they're always involved in the equation somehow, all right? Big red flag. But look, guys, if you want to avoid people like that and you're looking for a really good community to join the Discord, link in the description. We got all kinds of positive people, okay? We play games together every single week, all right? We got tourneys, competitions, giveaways, you name it, all right? And actually, we're about to play some games together right now, all right? So let's go ahead and jump into the gameplay. Ready for the next battle. Get ready. How could you do this to me, Gale? You were employee of the month, and now all of a sudden you're fighting me. I can't believe you. I know you guys know that, you know, Mr. P's hotel and Gel is like his best employee. Alright, my porters might be able to help him. Help him out, porters. Help him out, porters. Oh, snap. Oh, I didn't realize my health was that low, okay? Alright, so I'm getting clapped right now. I gotta be careful, or my own employee's gonna clap me. Come on! Oh crap, he is not taking the bait. He is not taking it. He is not taking it. Yes! Alright. Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready. Oh, he's coming for me. He wants blood. He wants blood. Sir. Oh, sir. Oh, sir. Oh. Ah! Take this, sir. I'm using that as a shield a little bit. Oh, I'm dead. Who's winning? Oh, he's winning. Ow. I literally got 18 seconds. Come here. Can I grab this? Can I get this? Can I get it? Come here. Yes! I'm out of here. Oh my God. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. He's just up here chilling. Oh man. But remember, guys, the world is dangerous, so protect your energy. Trust me, I'm a doctor. I'll see you tomorrow, next time.
Looking back through time, we've shared a lot of tears.